What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dilip Munda here, and let me tell you something crazy. Did you know that a mobile dessert business can generate over $500,000 a year? That's right, you heard me correctly. We're talking serious cash, people. And the best part, you don't need a fancy brick-and-mortar store to make it happen. We're diving deep into the world of Siristar, a dessert master who's absolutely crushing it with his mobile operation. Let's find out how he's raking in over $500,000 a year, one delicious treat at a time. Okay, so before we get into the nitty-gritty of Siristar's success story, let's address the elephant in the room, the challenges. Starting any business is tough, and the food industry is notoriously competitive. One of the biggest hurdles is standing out from the crowd. With so many food trucks and dessert options out there, how do you make your business the one everyone's talking about? Trust me, I get it. Another challenge is location. Location. Finding the perfect spot to park your mobile dessert haven can make or break your business. But hey, don't worry, we're about to break down Siristar's journey and show you how he conquered these obstacles and more. All right, let's get down to business. Siristar's journey started with a dream and a whole lot of hustle. First things first, he did his homework. Market research is key, people. Figure out what people are craving in your area and what's missing in the market. Next up, menu creation. Siristar didn't just slap together some random desserts. He experimented, got creative, and came up with unique, mouth-watering treats that got everyone talking. And let's not forget about the power of social media. Siristar harnessed the power of Instagram, Facebook, and even TikTok to spread the word about his delicious creations. Chapter 3, Pivotal Moment. Now here's where things get really interesting. Siristar was doing pretty well, but then came the pivotal moment that catapulted his business into the stratosphere. He decided to partner with local businesses and events. Think farmers markets, food festivals, even weddings. This strategic move exposed his brand to a whole new audience and created a buzz that money can't buy. By collaborating and thinking outside the box, Siristar went from a cool dessert dude to the dessert king of his city. Chapter 4, Main Strategies. So what are the key takeaways from Siristar's incredible journey? First off, passion is everything. Siristar's love for desserts shines through in every single treat he creates. People can taste the dedication, and that's priceless. Second, never underestimate the power of innovation. Siristar isn't afraid to experiment with new flavors, ingredients, and presentation. He's constantly pushing the boundaries and keeping his menu fresh and exciting. And finally, marketing. Get the word out there, engage with your audience, and make sure everyone knows about your awesome desserts. Chapter 5, next video. Hey, if you're as inspired by Siristar's story as I am, smash that like button. This guy is living proof that with hard work, creativity, and a whole lot of sugar, you can achieve your dreams. Now, if you want to learn even more about building a successful food business, you've got to check out my next video where we're diving deep into marketing strategies that'll have customers lining up around the block. Outro, subscribe for more. I'm telling you, this mobile dessert business is the real deal. Siristar is out there proving it every single day. Remember, you don't need a fancy restaurant to make bank in the food industry. A little creativity, a whole lot of passion, and a killer dessert menu can take you further than you ever imagined. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on all the awesome content coming your way. I'll see you in the next video.